Mastering conversational phrases, calling each other. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and commonly used phrase, calling each other. This phrase is widely used in everyday conversations, and understanding its nuances can greatly improve your English communication skills. So, let's get started and explore what it means to call each other in various contexts. Calling each other refers to the action where two or more people are engaging in a telephone conversation or contacting each other through phone calls. This phrase emphasizes a reciprocal action, meaning that the initiative to communicate is not one-sided. Both parties are actively participating in the exchange. For example, if you say, "My friend and I have been calling each other a lot recently," it implies that both you and your friend have been making efforts to stay in touch by phone. Personal relationships. In personal contexts, calling each other often signifies a close relationship or bond between individuals. It suggests regular communication and a desire to stay connected. For instance, family members who live far apart might call each other to share updates and maintain their emotional connection. Professional settings. In professional environments, calling each other can refer to regular coordination or discussion between colleagues or business partners. This usage underscores the importance of ongoing communication in achieving work-related goals or solving problems together. Casual acquaintances. When used among casual acquaintances, calling each other might indicate a budding friendship or the intention to get to know someone better. It's a step towards more frequent communication and possibly a deeper relationship. Understanding and using the phrase, calling each other, highlights the importance of reciprocal communication in relationships. It's not just about one person reaching out. It's about mutual effort and the shared desire to connect. This concept is crucial not only in personal connections but also in professional and casual ones. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of calling each other. Remember, effective communication is about making connections and maintaining them through mutual effort. Whether you're calling a friend, a family member, or a colleague, the act of calling each other plays a significant role in building and strengthening relationships. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you continue your English learning journey in our next video.